Welcome again to Androidiya. In today's video, I'm going to talk about an app which named Tube Browser blocks as video. This app, look at the icon. You will find it in Play Store on Play Store. It is an amazing app and a recommended app. A lot of people are using it and suggested from Google Play or App Store. So I just downloaded and you can watch videos without ads. For example, let's open it. I download it, install it. So open it. This is the trends and this channel groups, and this is saved that you saved. Since I downloaded or installed it recently, I haven't any sent or saved videos. You can find it like Instagram in this saved tab. So this is the trends, and you can find, for example, Androidiya, my channel. You can watch the videos and playlist without any ads. This app is free. Go use it, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, don't forget it, and I'll be back in another video.